How's it? I'm Kev. My hobby budget doesn't usually stretch to building kits, but I made an exception for this one. Wall and roof parts seem to be thick MDF, stamped rather than laser cut. The glue is heat activated like hot glue, but has a much longer set time, and there are a lot of separately fitted parts. This railroad's going places.